everyone, welcome to 6 Feet Vlogs. It has been a long time I uploaded any video. Actually, for the past month, the COVID cases rising up in Canada so much. It's like lot more than the first phase, and we are trying to be at home, isolating ourselves and not going outside if there is not any important thing to do. That's why I couldn't find any content to upload any video. But today I have a special content to make this video for you so that you can enjoy it, and that is iPhone 12 Pro Max. Just launched today. I just went to the store 8 in the morning and I got myself one, and here I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to show you how is it, the first impression. I hope you'll like it. So this is new iPhone 12 Pro Max, 256 GB, Pacific Blue. This is the new color they brought in. As you can see, the box, it's much more smaller, thinner, because Apple is getting rid of charger adapters, and they are planning to remove the carbon cycle recycling in next 2030. So whatever they are doing for a good reason. I hope we all have adapters, extra adapters to charge with. So I'm keeping the phone aside. Let me see what do we have inside the box. Nothing much to expect. Just a SIM ejector, some paperwork, and a single Apple sticker this time. And USB-C to Lightning charging cable. That's pretty much it. Simple and quick. And this is the phone. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is iPhone 11 Pro Max. The difference you can see in both of them. It's still the stainless steel, but the glass of iPhone 12 Pro Max is this time got ceramic shield, which is much more tougher. So the phone itself, it's pretty flat, and it's a bit bigger than iPhone 11 Pro Max. So people who are using iPhone 11 Pro Max, you will feel the difference. The iPhone 11 Pro Max and iPhone 12 Pro Max, it's a bit bigger, but when you are holding the phone, iPhone 12 Pro Max, there are some significant difference you are going to see in this display and in the size as well. And the camera sensors are pretty big than iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's what I can see. And this time we have LiDAR scanner. It will help the augmented reality to make it more better and put better focus in photos and on portrait mode as well. So this will help you capturing better portrait mode photos in night and day as well. This is where it gets bigger in iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's iPhone 11 Pro Max is 6.5 inches, and where iPhone 12 Pro Max is 6.7 inches. So as you can notice in my video, the notch of iPhone 12 Pro Max looks a bit bigger than iPhone 11 Pro Max, because the iPhone 12 Pro Max have the shrunken bezels. But I hope that won't matter for big time. But people who are using iPhone 12 Pro Max, I hope they can rely on to iPhone 12 Pro Max as well. So there is only one problem I can see in iPhone 12 Pro Max is the stainless steel frame it has. It is so shiny that it catches fingerprints or dirt so quickly. So if you are going to buy iPhone 12 Pro or Pro Max, I would suggest you should buy a cover or at least a bumper to protect your phone and as well to keep out of dirt or fingerprints. And the back is just like 11 Pro Max. It's the same matte texture over here as well. So this is pretty nice. This is pretty same actually, but the color, the Pacific blue color, is something beautiful Apple has made. So this was my first impression and unboxing of iPhone 12 Pro Max. I liked it. After 2 consecutive years, Apple satisfied me with their designs, because the past 2 years I was not fond of their designs. It was the same basically, but this time I really like the design. The flat design iPhone 5, 5S, 4S had, it came back all the way. And yes, I would recommend, if people who are not using iPhone 11 Pro Max, they should go for 12 Pro Max. It's a huge jump from iPhone 10s Max to iPhone 12 Pro Max, or anything older than 10s Max. So 11 Pro Max users, I would recommend. It's the same phone, just the bumper, just the stainless steel frame, I would say, is different, and 5G. And if your country doesn't have 5G, there is no meaning of buying iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I will find more content to upload videos. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.